Now, scene 2. Narrator 2. The ghost then makes Scrooge see what happened in the past. He is made to see the good days of the past and to remember the kindness that others have shown to him. So the ghost of Christmas past takes him to see what had happened in his past. And what did he make him see? He made him see the good days of the past and to remember the kindness, and he also showed him that how people were kind to him and how and that all the kindness that people have shown to him in the past. Narrator 1. Scrooge slowly begins to understand how unkind he has been to others, though they have been good to him. So the ghost of Christmas past showed him that people in the past had been kind to him, but Scrooge was never kind to anybody. Though he was unkind to others, people were kind to him. He realizes his mistake and begins to weep. And when the ghost of Christmas past showed him this, he realized his mistake and started weeping. Scrooge, weeping to the ghost, "Stop! This is so painful." He realized his mistake very badly and he said that it is very painful and the ghost must stop showing him all these. Ghost of Christmas past. These are things of the past as they happened. I cannot change the past. My time is up and I must go now. So the ghost of Christmas past said that this all things have happened in the past and past can never be changed. And then he said that my time is up, I must go now. That it is my time, that I must go now and my time is over and I should leave now. Narrator 2. Soon the ghost leaves and Scrooge is back in his house. He prepares to go back to bed again. Narrator 1. Suddenly he notices a ghost dressed in a long green robe with a wreath on its head. So soon as the ghost leaves, he came back to his house and he again started preparing to go to his bed. Suddenly the another ghost appeared because Marley told that 3 spirits would come, and this ghost was wearing a long green robe. Robe means a dress, green dress with a wreath on its head. And what is wreath? Wreath is a circle of flowers or leaves worn on the head. So you can see this is the spirit of Jacob Marley. Okay. And here this is Ebenezer Scrooge, astonished to see the ghost of Christmas past. Scrooge, who are you? Ghost of Christmas present. I am the ghost of Christmas present. Scrooge, what are you here for? Ghost of Christmas present. Take my hand and you will see. Narrator 2. Scrooge takes the ghost's hand and they leave. So ghost of Christmas present also takes him to some place. Now let us see where the ghost of Christmas present takes him. Narrator 1. The ghost then takes Scrooge to his nephew Fred's house. So his nephew's name was Fred and the ghost of Christmas present takes him to his nephew Fred's house. Fred, his wife and their young children are in the living room. They are having a good time and enjoying themselves, and the ghost of Christmas present shows him that Fred, his nephew Fred, Fred's wife and their young children are there in the living room and they together are celebrating a good time. Narrator 2. Although he has been unkind to them, Scrooge sees them praying for his good health, and he remembered that Scrooge sees them praying for Scrooge remembers that he had been unkind to his nephew, but they all are, in spite of that, they all are praying for his good health. He was in their prayers. Narrator 1. Scrooge remembers how Fred had invited him to share Christmas dinner at his house, but Scrooge had refused him. He feels saddened by the way he treated his nephew earlier, so he started remembering that Fred had already invited him to share Christmas dinner at his house, but Scrooge did not accept his invitation. And now, when the ghost of Christmas present shows him that how they, in spite of that, despite that they were praying for his good health, he is very, very sad because the way he treated his nephew earlier. Narrator 2. Soon the ghost leads Scrooge away. Later, he finds himself in his house and the ghost has gone. After showing this, the ghost of Christmas present also leaves and Scrooge is left alone in his house.